Hi everybody, thanks for joining us again at ShiftSetGo's cooking class. I'm Coach Cheryl. Today I'm making zucchini fries and you are going to love them. We are using the ShiftSetGo Nacho Cheese Crisps, which are delicious. So for starters, you're going to preheat your oven to 350 degrees, or you can use an air fryer. You crush up the crisps either in a blender or a food processor. You have your zucchini cut and ready to go as the shape of French fries. So what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to take the zucchini, put it in the bowl, mix it with olive oil in order to make the crisp stick. And oh yeah, you get to get a little bit gooey. So you have your zucchini crisp, dip it into the nacho crisps. And just lay it on the parchment paper. You also, some people might want a little bit of salt and pepper added into there just for extra flavoring. So we'll add that in with the nachos. So how yummy do these look? I'm telling you, the nacho crisps are delicious on their own and they smell so good. I can't wait for these zucchini fries. So what we're going to do is we're going to cook them in the oven for 10 to 20 minutes. This is one serving of an SSG meal. And prep time's 10 minutes. Cook time is 15 to 20 minutes. And this is also 50% of your allotted daily oil. So enjoy, cook away, and thank you for coming. And please comment because you're going to love these. Thanks again. Have a great day.